Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I am making a 90s abstract set. The inspiration for this set, well, let me back it up. Normally I prefer to do a sketch before I actually go in and make the design. But because this was abstract and kind of also a freestyle, sketching it just wasn't a thing. That wouldn't have been practical. But the inspiration for this look came to me by the Holy Spirit in a dream. He just started speaking to me. He's like, do this, do that. Use different shades of green. Do the 90s abstract. And so when I woke up, I don't remember if it was that day or like a few days later, that's exactly what I did. And this set came out so beautiful. I'm just like, I can't take credit for that. That's the Holy Spirit. Now, this style of nail art has always been special to me. I've always loved this look. In like the early 2000s, I would get this nail look. It reminds me of when I went to Clark's, shout out to CAU, and I would get my nails done like this. Now, granted, it was not at the 90s. This was the early 2000s. But still, especially like in the South, the style was still big and it was kind of nostalgic, and I just always liked that style. It also was special to me because like that was one of the things that inspired me to go to cosmetology school, like, you know, abstract nails, hair show hair, like all that type of stuff holds a very special place in my heart and in my artistry. So coming full circle and creating it myself is just like, it was so satisfying for me to do. When creating this look, it was important to work in layers so that it wouldn't get muddy, but also so that the different layers wouldn't be too chunky, because like that's not a thing. So I'm just like placing random stripes, and that's why this is so fun to do, because it's just random. I literally was just freestyling, like randomly putting the colors where I felt they should go, and then just going from there, building from there. So that's the beauty of it, the freestyle. Also, I could recreate this set 20 times using the same colors, and it's not gonna come out the same every time. It's gonna be equally as beautiful, but like the placement is gonna be different, because like there's no way I would even want to like replicate it exactly. And I think that's what's gonna make this set so special, because each person who gets it is gonna be unique, you know? And so with that being said, this set will be featured, or is featured, depending on when you see this video, on my website as part of my signature collection. So you'll be able to order this set there if you like it. I'm also gonna do it in a couple of more colors. You'll see it on there. All of that information will be in the description, so make sure you check that. All right. And just enjoy the video. I'm not gonna do too much talking. I'm really just gonna let the artistry do the work for me. So I'll check back in a bit. So what I'm doing right here, when I flip it over, the purpose of doing that is so that the gel polish doesn't flood the edges and it's not like bulky or anything around the edges. Just a little tip and trick for you, okay? And then you want to cure it, and I only hold it like that for about 5 to 7 seconds. Now I added more gold glitter to the glitter nail polish because it just wasn't popping enough for me, and I really like the sparkle and shine when it comes to glitter, so that's what I'm doing right here. And then I'm just adding a little bit of top coat just to mix it all together. So the 90s abstract look is really easy to do. Like, it only contains a few elements: your main color swatches, stripes, swirls, and dots. That's it. And creativity and enjoyment, that is it. And the results are going to be captivating every time, and it really, like I said, is very enjoyable and even relaxing to do. That's why I'm gonna recreate this look in other colors as well. If you like the set that I'm wearing, this set is also available as part of my signature collection, so you can get that too. And if you want to see how I did it, I have that video and I will link it at the end and also put that in the description as well. That's where I started to get excited, because the black elements of the design really tie everything together. It makes the colors pop, it makes the sparkles pop. It's just the glue that binds everything. So this part right here was probably the only part of the design where I overlapped any of the elements. I just feel like, although yes, this is abstract, it's supposed to be busy, I feel it's not necessarily supposed to overlap, you know? So that was the only area where I did that. Because like I said, I was freestyling, so. And then I just was like, I'm not gonna do that. But it didn't bother me enough to where I took it off. Because if you noticed earlier in the video, like when I first did the first thumb, I didn't like it and I wiped it off. Like, I will do that. Whether it's nails, makeup, if I don't like something, I will wipe it off. I don't care. I have to like it. saw how I did the other hand, I'm just fast forwarding through this just so you could see it completed. At first I wasn't going to include this, and I'm like, no, it's abstract. Every finger is different. Let me include it. So this is just better. So the nails were done at this point, but I wanted to go back in on a couple of fingers and add just a little bit more detail. So that's what I'm doing here. I really do like the Beetles top coat. It's really shiny. It's not too thick, not too thin. It's just right. I really like it. And here is the finished results, okay? I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next one.